Let's look at this one, the number of ways of distributing 20 identical balloons. So the first thing that I want to bring to your notice is you are distributing identical things among 4 children such that each child get some balloons. So please keep that on your mind that a child cannot get zero balloons. A child has to get at least some balloons. Okay. But no child get odd number of balloons. So there are 4 children that we are talking about. So the let's say the first child is getting 2A number of balloons, second is getting 2B number of balloons, 2C number of balloons for the third one, and 2D number of balloons for the fourth one. And this sum should turn out to be equals to 20. Multiplying the values of A, B, and C by 2, we are ensuring that whatever may be the values of A, B, and C and D, the 2A, 2B, 2C, and 2D will turn out to be even numbers. So now if you solve this further, you will realize this equation boils down to A plus B plus C plus D should be equals to 10. Now understand this thing that each child has to get some balloons. So the values of A, B, C, and D cannot be zero. That means you are looking at whole number solutions of this equation. If you're looking at whole number solution of this equation, you can give one to each one of these values A, B, C, D. So you'll be left with 6 values over here. Now 6 things to be distributed among 4 of them because they already have one. We have eliminated the case of zero already. So if I want to distribute 6 similar things among 4 different individuals, I will require 3 separators. Those will require 3 more positions. So total 9 positions. Out of 9 positions, select any 3 position, and that should give you the number of ways of distributing A, B, C, D. And between A, B, C, D, 10 balloons, 10 values over here, and such that each one of them should get at least one. So 9C3 will turn out to be what? 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28 into 3 should give me the answer, which is equals to 2484. So 84 should turn out to be the answer for this particular question.